stop quick to stretch our legs and get Starbucks, because I think this one has Starbucks. But we have like 40 minutes left, I think.
What can we get you there? Can I get a kiss? Pumpkin spice latte? Sure. You want whipped cream?
Hi!
This is honestly only the second time it's gone off though.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Fire truck.
Oh my god,
She's like shaking. As soon as Tori opened up the door, she was asleep and that went off and it like startled her and she's like freaking out.
Say hi. Oh, careful. Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Oh, you want to give TT a kiss here? Give Daddy a kiss.
Give a kiss.
Give a kiss. Oh, you want to give me a kiss? No. What? What? How was your drive down?
Why is that still going?
It's winding down.
I told Mom if there's a tornado, I'm turning around and leaving. There's only one bridge on this island.
Show Reagan. What's that?
Desk.
Your desk.
Yeah. So.
You bought this or was it here?
No, we bought it. That she had multiple meltdowns of it. We didn't really have anywhere to put it when we were home. What does it do? Cute. It's awesome. Trouble.
There was no room in the truck, so I volunteered to sit in the back in the truck bed on the way to the beach.
Okay, we're all ready for...
Wow. Look at all the people here. Yeah. I thought people go home after Labor Day. There's a lot of people. Maddie, look at the ocean. Look! Wow!
Fun.
It's fun! It's the ocean! Look how big it is, Maddie. Are you excited?
Sandcastle.
Yes, we're gonna build sandcastles. I'm afraid she's gonna drown. Oh my god, I was filming for that. Yeah. You want to do it again, Maddie? Once again, I'm in the back of the home from the beach. Had a lot of fun considering I really hate the beach. I don't like heat or sand, anything like that, so I'm definitely gonna have to take a shower when we get back to the beach house. I only bought one pair of shoes. We got back from the beach and I jumped in the shower quick because I was really sandy and sweaty and gross. I just have to clean my camera because it's full of sand, and then I think we're gonna go grab dinner. What? So it was a very successful first day in LBI, and it's about 11:30 right now, and I'm actually standing in front of the beach house because everyone's pretty much asleep right now and I didn't want to wake everyone up filming this, so I came outside quick. And the weather wasn't too bad. It was pretty nice. It was nice and breezy. It was kind of hot, but since there was a breeze, it wasn't that bad. We got lunch and we went to the beach and came back, hung out for a little bit. I took a shower quick because I was feeling kind of like gross and sweaty. The house that we're actually staying in is really, really nice, and maybe I'll try and give you a tour tomorrow. And it's funny because when we got here this afternoon, we were unloading the car and the siren went off because like the fire department, the police station, and the first aid squad is seriously like all right here, and there's like a giant water tower right there, but the siren went off and it kind of like caught us off guard because I didn't know it was like so loud. I'm not really sure what we have planned tomorrow. I know Danny, Tori, George, and Amanda are going to a wedding tomorrow night. That's why we're down here. So it's pretty much just gonna be my mom, Maria, Maddie, and Reagan because Maria's coming down after her class tomorrow. Yeah, for right now I think I'm just gonna finish editing this vlog and go to sleep because we had to wake up early today and we traveled in a car for like over 2 hours, and we were at the beach for a while and just kind of running around doing a bunch of stuff, so I'm pretty wiped. But I think that's pretty much all I had to tell you. It's really windy right now and I hope the audio's okay because I'm actually using the bed of my brother's truck to prop my camera up on. And I don't have a windsock yet for my microphone, so. Well, don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe if you haven't already. That's pretty much it for today, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.
What? A good one. Good one.